Hey guys, Ultra Water Bottle here, and I'm bringing you a Bought Cards by Mail video. I bought some really cool cards, and they just came in the mail today, so I'm going to show them off. These are graded cards from Beckett, but I just bought them off eBay, so let's just show them off. We got Entei and Pichu. These are both 10s, so that's the highest grade they can get. Sorry, I put them in like 2 team bags, so yeah. The glare. So yep, these are Japanese and they're promos. As you can see, Japanese Neo 2 promo set, Pikachu Holo, and then there is Entei Holo. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. A booster box opening will be coming up very soon. It's ordered from Legacy Cards, and they ship priority mail, so it should come really soon. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys next time.